Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the clear formatting tool and what's the use of the clear formatting tool in the Microsoft PowerPoint web. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So I'm just going to show how to use the clear formatting option in Microsoft PowerPoint web and how to use and what the uses of the clear formatting option. So I'm just going to show clearly. So first of all, I just going to having a formatting. Formatting means which we add extra features or extra things on the text. For an example, in this text, I just going to resize it to the 80, and also I just going to bold it using italic, applying italic, underline, and also strike through. And now I just going to we can change the color of the text and everything has been done. But I just want to recover to its original portion. So if you want to just want to turn it off everything, you just need to turn it off everything like just clicking like this. Instead of that, you will have this clear formatting option. Just select it, and if you also change the font, it doesn't matter. For an example, I just change the font so you can easily understand. Okay, so I also changed the font also. So you can easily change to its original position by using this option in the font section. Here this is called clear formatting option. Just single click, it automatically changes to its original position. So you can also change this by just a single click, it automatically changes to its original position. For an example, I just change the color and making underline and also strike through. So after creating this, just click on the clear formatting, it automatically remove everything. So it's give it to the original position. So by this option you can use it and use this clear formatting option. It's a useful tool to have a time saving on your document. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video which is super valuable PowerPoint content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.